Hey guys, so this is another Amazon review. This is the Nisi 360 transparent lace water wig, and this is a Remy human hair type of wig. It is in the color 1B, 20 inches in length. $113.86 was the price for this wig at the time of purchase. So this has 4 combs, 2 adjustable straps. It's very versatile. It has a very natural hairline, and what I like a lot is that the curls maintain for a very long time. Now, I'm not gonna lie, when I first took this hair out of the package, I was a bit skeptical because it looked very thin, but as I began to style it more, it started to look way better. So what I did was I added some foundation to the middle part to give it a more natural look. Then after that, I went in with my wax stick, which is awesome. I've tried it out a good amount of times. It's great for keeping the flyaways, your hair down, so like when the hair starts to look a bit old, all you need is that wax stick and it keeps your hair laid, and then I brush it down. Okay, I'm just showing you here how the hair looks naturally in its natural state, and then I'm going in with my wide tooth comb. So after I started to comb out this hair, the hair started to look way different. I was pleased at how the curl patterns look, and I ended up liking the way this wig looked, because at first glance, when I took it out the package, I was like, gee, thinking like this hair is very thin. But I was like, you know what, let me comb out this hair, and it looked really nice. So I was feeling it. Curl patterns are cute, everything looks really nice, and all you have to do is put in your accessories and apply your makeup. If you're going out on a nice outing and you want to spruce it up a bit, like I did here, I applied my makeup and I was ready to go. So if you're interested in this hair, I will leave all the information down in the description box. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will see you guys in the next review. Bye.